y'all see where I'm at? Well, I'm not alone. We got Mr. Man in here. Where we going, boy?
To a car show.
Oh, he said a car show, y'all. You like car shows?
Yeah.
Great. That's where we going. Somewhere you like. Y'all see where we in. Monte Carlo. Yeah, boy. Luxury sport. Y'all see them T-tops up there. But, yeah, we're on our way to this car show about a good 30 minutes from now. And we're going to get that good old footage, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What are you doing, man? Throwing up the peace sign to the game? Throwing up the peace sign? Your fingers look like they tired and sleepy. Alright, y'all. Turn y'all on when we get to that doggone car show. Alright, gang. We popped up at the car show. A lot of copyright going on, so let's go. Camaro. What's this? How you doing? Clean, clean. We got old Plymouth. What's this? Do you know what this is? Let the gang know you know your cars. Was this a Challenger or a Mustang?
Mustang.
Oh, y'all hear him? He know his cars, y'all. That's a big motor. Woo-wee. What that say over there? 5.8. Yeah, I see him. Nice color though. We're gonna work our way on around. The old Brembos on the brakes. We got big ones down there. What's this?
Sergeant.
No. What's that one back there? The blue one. You're falling off, boy. What is that blue car on the end? You just said the name.
Wait, say it to dance again?
Look at that horse. What is that? You just said the name of that car. Mustang, boy, where your brain at? What's wrong with him, y'all? He drunk or something? Oh, Chevy, small block, clean. See those rallies? Ford truck. Smell clean. Cougar. This is nice. I like how he got the wheels. They're not chrome. They got that little black tint to the chrome. Little small block. 48 Chevy 3100. 48 Chevy 3100. Yeah, let's go through the process. That's the first. Yeah, you don't need to see that. Boy, he always eating candy, y'all. Oh, well, your teeth gonna be doggone rotten. You got cotton candy in your hand and you being greedy. That boy. Hurry up. Got an old Delta. Oh, Impala. This baby clean. 6'2". Okay. 69 old Mustang. '66. It's a clean fella here with the pumpkin to match. What? What are you doing? You finished it? We gotta find a garbage can. Yeah. Got the Broncos. Got the newer version and the old one over there. Let's look at this one. This got to be like a 23, I want to believe. Sasquatch edition. Huh? There's one down there. Come here. Run down into that green one. I'm going to watch you. See that green one? Run down there. What is this? 22. This one is a 74 with a 302 engine in it. This mug is clean. Man. Okay.
I think I want food.
I don't know. We gotta go. Pick that up. Pick that up. Put that in his car. Hurry up before it fly. Put it in the door, cause it came out of there. Just put it in there. Just. All right. It flew out of there, so just put it back in there. Studebaker. This Bronco is, man. Look at that dog. Look at that dog. The dog gonna get you. That dog is. If he tall, if he stand up, he'd be taller than you. Huh? Yeah. What's this?
Sound. Mustang.
There's a lot of Mustangs here, Jeremiah. What's this? You just said it. Every time you see the horse,
Mustang.
that's a Mustang. Every horse. Every. Okay? So stop embarrassing yourself on the camera. This is the older one. This, what is this, a 92 or something? 02. I'm way off. I seen this one at the car show before. Nice two-tone. Ooh, look at this. Man, hush.
I want some.
Oh, Skylark. What year is this? 72 Buick. '72 Buick Skylark. Boo hole. Fire tech car. Look at the eyeballs.
I saw that and I see that in videos.
Yeah. It's a clean Buick, y'all. It's clean. Galaxy. Somebody got a drone up there. I hear something. You hear it? Look. It's right here. Too late. Too late. 69 Dodge. Yeah. It's a nice red.
There's a bee on it.
What? Yeah, it's fake. The dark. Nice blue on here. Golly, stop crossing in front of me, bro. What the heck is wrong with you? '69 Chevelle. Or '69 Hirsch. Nice color on here. this mug is clean. Malibu. This is a clean one here, boy.
Oh yeah, that's good
Golly. That paint job is immaculate.
stuff. It is. Yeah.
Man.
Well, it's brighter white than before.
How you doing?
It's better, you know.
All right.
Takes a lot of work to keep it clean.
A lot of money and work at time. This is. Oh, this yours? Beautiful, man. Golly.
White blue.
23 Ford.
It's clean.
Yeah, real nice. Real clean. Oh, Plymouth. Another Mustang. There's a lot of Mustangs at this car show. Oh, Vert. Oh, Impala. Man.
Wait, do I have that mode?
Hmm.
Do I have that mode?
Yeah.
Had turn signals. Well, ours had the mirrors that all got broke off.
Falling.
Put the battery in the fuel tank. That seat flips up.
All that down up in there.
But
Okay.
those are like $300-400 new.
Well,
now-
you can't find them now, could you?
Well, you 3,000 or 4,000, and they'd be in 1,000 pieces. And that was not meant, but the guy could probably get a couple grand for it, just the way it is.
As long as it run, they'd
Only
be happy.
3,300 miles. I mean,
That's nothing.
no, for something that's 50-some years old.
Right. Yeah, I ain't never seen nothing like this. This is
No, that's
past
why
my
I
time.
told that. They say, dude, you're into this
Get
car
this.
show stuff. Here you go.
Right. Yeah,
They
that's
made gold, blue, red, and a kind of a funky bright green.
funky green.
Yeah. If you Google Honda Trail 70, it'll teach you.
Yeah. Okay. This is crazy.
Yeah, this is Honda brought them. They had a little mini 50. It was. Oh,
That look just
Yeah.
like.
Well, that's got a story too. I got to grab the story of that.
Oh yeah.
I don't hold it.
Sugar Man on that. Look at this. Dan, it look like your car when you first got yours.
Well, then they don't. Well, yeah. 'cause
Same as that color.
oh, God, yeah.
Body not bad at all. Interior don't look bad.
Yeah, you.
All right, yep.
Can I hold it?
He want to hold it, y'all. You got to look at stuff, not look at the sky, not look at the ground. You got to look at cars. Every car. So you better know what you're looking at.
Yeah, it's up
Let me look at this. All small block in here. Yeah, we got to go. What did she say? We got to go. We get you something else. We got to get to the place, remember? That's a nice blue. Golly. Man, this is nice. Shh. Super Sport. Ooh, look at this old vet. I ain't seen one of these years in a minute. Corvette. I don't even know what year this one is. Is the paper in the window? I want to say this is 70 something. Got the 427 in here. No, the paper ain't even in it. Hi y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Happy we came and spent about an hour with the car show. You know, seeing all the goodies. All right. Catch y'all on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Comment. Let everybody know about my channel. Peace.